Hey guys, Erin here with LaCkore Couture, and today I'm going to be talking about 5 ways bracelets can elevate your look. But before we do that, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. So when it comes to jewelry and accessorizing, I seriously live by this motto. Don't ever let your jewelry wear you. You are in charge of wearing your jewelry. So if something is super crazy and out there and you are not totally owning that piece, I say nix it and try again. You got to have that confidence. It's all about that, because if you don't have that, the piece is going to wear you and you really don't want that. So when we're talking about styling bracelets, I want you guys to keep this in mind. As we all know, jewelry has been around for thousands and thousands of years, dating back to like the earliest recorded times that we know. And it was a symbol of not only wealth, but it was also kind of like a protection. People wore jewelry thinking that it was going to protect them or ward off evil spirits, psychological security. And today, a lot of jewelry is also sentimental. So we've sort of like kept that trend and that theme going all these years with jewelry and that symbolic meaning. And again, to everybody, jewelry means something different. But I think that we could all say that in order for us to buy a piece of jewelry or to really love it, we have to be connected to it in some way. Bracelets are a super fun and easy way to elevate your look and to accessorize your vibe. So for me, I always love like a really thick, chunky bracelet. As you can see here, this is our gold digger bracelet and then our sprinkle bracelet. And they're just so fun. I love to stack them up. I love to mix textures, colors, like I do gold and silver, or maybe I'll do black and gold. I try to keep the textures very different. So this way you have like you have that organic feel, but it's just super pretty and trendy. And I like to mix it up because if you keep the bracelets all exactly the same, it's not going to elevate your look. It's not going to take it up a notch. You want to try to have different size beads or different types of chains or something to break it up and to make it super unique and to make it your own. Creating a signature style for yourself is super important, and I feel like this is what's going to really help you own your look. So you may have a few people that that have this bracelet, but it's the way that you style it, the way you rock it, the way you wear it, and how you put it together with your outfit. So that's really what's going to make it unique, and that's really what's going to take it up a notch. And honestly, with jewelry, clothes, all of this, I am a true firm believer that if you feel confident in it, even if it's hideous, everyone around you is going to feel that confidence, and everyone around you is going to just absolutely fall in love with your style, your vibe, and what you're rocking. So if you're first starting out with playing with jewelry and creating a beautiful, well-rounded jewelry collection, I would say definitely start with one thing at a time. Make sure whatever you're buying kind of has some, it's general, like it's a neutral, you can wear it with multiple pieces. This is like a great way to build a collection, because if you go out and buying like a pink bracelet, a purple bracelet, a yellow, orange, you're not going to be able to really like stack those all together. So let's say you're just starting out and you really want like some really cool layered looks. I would say pick gold or silver or both, and you can actually mix those together and make really creative, magical, layered stacks. Stacks are so in, they've been in for years, and I just feel like wearing a stack is so unique. You can create your own, or I sell on my website, we have curated stacks. So if you're a person that loves creative jewelry, but you just really don't know how to put it together, that's when you would want to look at those curated stacks that I've already pre-planned for you. So you could just throw it on. It's layered. It's perfect. There's no fuss. You don't have to think about anything. But I would definitely say getting creative, layer, changing the different textures is going to make a really beautiful and elevated look on your arm. With jewelry and accessories in general, I personally do not like to go crazy. Like I would never wear a huge earring, a huge necklace, and a huge stack. It's just too much. And with someone like me to say something's too much, it really is too much. And I love everything extra, sparkly, big, crazy. The bigger, the better. But with accessorizing, with jewelry, it is so important for you to have a little bit of a refined eye and to scale back. Sometimes less is more, and it will actually elevate and make your style just that much classier. So if you want bracelets to be your main event, if you want bracelets to be like the star of the show, I would say wear a very small earring or a thin necklace. You don't want to go overboard because it's just going to cheapen the look and it's not going to elevate it, which is what we're going for. And if you want to check out my jewelry and other videos, check out the links in the descriptions below and help support my channel. If you want to keep learning about jewelry, fashion, LaCkore Couture, make sure you check one of the videos above me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!